Hey, just a quick introduction to today's task. In the survey, some of you asked that we had all information gathered in one place, so I've tried to put everything in Teams. The assignments you can find those in the chat stream, and there are two today. One of them is about radiation, and the other one is about the Geiger counter. The first assignment, you can view that by clicking on View Assignment, and then it wouldn't look like this, but it would look like this. So the instructions are here: make the BrainPop assignment, put some effort into the concept map, spend at least 20 minutes on it, and then there's a quiz in here that you can answer when you have read the related readings. The link here should open BrainPop, and the BrainPop assignment is 4 parts. There's the movie, there's the movie quiz, then there's make a map. I'll get back to this one, and then there's the radioactivity related reading. And it's to this section I've put in some questions in the assignment. But what I would like you to put some effort into is this radioactivity make a map. You have done it before. It's where you design maps using the images over here, a sort of a mind map explaining the topic. And what you should do is to make a mind map that explains what is radioactivity, what different types of radioactivity is there. So try to see if you can make an interesting and nice looking poster, so to say, that explains it using the the icons and graphics inside BrainPop, and hand it in so I can see it, of course. So that was task number 1. The next task is explain how a Geiger counter works. And what I would like you to do in this one is to record a small presentation where you explain how a Geiger counter works. And you might have to do some Google research. There's a little bit about it in BrainPop, but you might have to go use Google to find some information about it. And then how you're going to explain it, it's up to you how you're going to record it. You can record it using your phone and describe it on a piece of paper. You can use a PowerPoint and record the presentation. Or you could actually also use Explain Everything, which exists as a desktop app, just like on the iPads with the same functionality. But how you're going to explain it is up to you, but you must explain it using words and illustrations, and therefore record it as a video. The videos should be uploaded to the video section, in here, and that's one called M4 Science. If you go up to General, up here there's one called M4 Science, and if you go into this one, you can go to this site where you can upload videos, and that's a closed environment that no one else can access except you. So you need to go to the M4 Science and click on this icon, and then you will have access to, I'll just put this so you can see it. Look like this. And well, right now I'm not logged in, sorry about that. But in here you can upload videos, and the advantage of putting them in here is that you can go in and watch each other's videos and add comments to it, but we'll do that in the next lesson. So the important thing is that you just put the files here, as it says here. You can drag the files in, or you can choose files and upload them. So that'll be the task for today. Again, if you're in doubt about anything, use the chat. And yeah. Again, spend 1.5 hours doing this, see how far you get, and I'll see if we should spend a little bit more time next time finishing the videos, or we could start reviewing the videos next time. Yeah.